You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Streamlined composition techniques, mastery of essential skills for achievement, persuasive magazine article, proficiency in the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum, a scaffolded approach to writing instruction. Let's turn our attention to the reading and writing standards. First, reading objectives. Next, writing objectives. Understanding the writing prompt is essential. Therefore, read the task thoroughly and pinpoint key details. A beneficial strategy is to conduct a gap analysis or consider the three W's. What genre of writing are you producing? In this scenario, it is a persuasive magazine article. Who constitutes your audience? You are addressing the students of your school. What is the purpose of your writing? The objective is to express your perspectives. Next, determine the title of the article. In this instance, it is Small Change, Big Difference. After that, identify the topic of the article. Here, it pertains to how your school can effect change. Keep in mind several expectations while composing. Your writing should be text-based, articulated in your own words, and address both bullet points. In standard handwriting, your article should comprise between 250 and 350 words, typically occupying about 1.5 to 2 sides of A4 paper. In this section, we will analyze the criteria for evaluating reading comprehension. While this assessment primarily focuses on your writing abilities, it is crucial to note that your writing must derive from the provided reading materials. Of the total 40 marks available, 15 are allocated for content. This indicates that your response should effectively assess both explicit and implicit concepts and synthesize these ideas from the text to construct a comprehensive and nuanced response. Now let's discuss the criteria for writing assessment. The quality of your writing will be evaluated out of total of 25 marks. This evaluation will adhere to established writing standards which necessitate a response that utilizes a highly effective and well-organized style, incorporate precise and sophisticated vocabulary, adapts a suitable register, while ensuring near flawless spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Examine text A and provide annotations that emphasize evidence or information pertinent to the central focus of the topic. Similarly, read text B carefully and annotate the document to emphasize evidence or information pertinent to the central theme of the topic. Here is a guide to structuring your persuasive magazine article. P1 to P10 refer to the number of paragraphs and how they are separated from each other. For P1, create an engaging title that captures the essence of the article's topic. If the prompt provides a title, retain it while ensuring that it follows the convention of initial capital letters. For P2, that is introduction, begin the article with a compelling hook that aligns with the topic. This should effectively capture the reader's attention. Following the hook, clearly state the purpose of the article and conclude the introduction by explicitly mentioning the topic that will be discussed. P3 to P9 compose 7 body paragraphs that detail the topic. Now use the framework to develop the claim, evidence, and result for body paragraph 1. Begin each claim, evidence, and result with addition, illustration, and result transitions respectively. Utilize insights derived from the explicit details and the marking scheme outlined to formulate supporting details to be incorporated into the first body paragraph. Craft the claim by stating how your school can make a difference. Then provide evidence to support your claim using facts, examples, or expert opinions. Finally, explain the result, how your claim and evidence can lead to positive change. Follow the same process and develop the claim, evidence, and result for body paragraph 2. Similarly, develop the claim, evidence, and result for body paragraph 3. Likewise, for body paragraph 4, body paragraph 5, body paragraph 6, body paragraph 7. Finally, in paragraph 10, that is conclusion, restate the hook from the introduction to remind the reader of the key issue. Refer to the audience before you summarize your 7 claims, briefly highlighting how each one supports your argument. Synopsis of claim 1, synopsis of claim 2, synopsis of claim 3, synopsis of claim 4, synopsis of claim 5, synopsis of claim 6, synopsis of claim 7. Before closing, include a call to action, urging the reader to take specific steps on the issue. Your final article draft should be structured along these lines. Now it's your turn. Write a 250 to 350 word persuasive magazine article based on the given prompt, using all the techniques you have learned. Remember, your writing will be judged based on the content and style you create. Read text A, read also text B, and write the words of the article. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more IGCSE lessons and tips. Subscribe for more educational content. Like if this video helped you. Share it with your peers to spread the knowledge. Comment below with your feedback. Let's master the art of writing together.